This is so good. Hi, what up, my people? What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Hello again, beautiful people. So right now, I've seen this guy all over my YouTube feed, and I've made my decision to check out this guy, right? But I've seen something different about this guy. I've realized that he has won the Golden Buzzer on the America's Got Talent TV show, and I think the reason why I've gotten to know about that American Got Talent TV show, it was because of Putri Ariane, that blind female, bro. She's incredible. And here again, right, where someone won the Golden Buzzer, I would love to see that for myself, right? So this guy called Richard Goodall, right? And he has sung the song called Don't Stop Believin'. I think I know this song, right? And it was sung by a lot of people, but there are different people with different talent, with different voices. So I'd love to hear what Richard Goodall has to say here, right? And this was like 3 months ago, so I'm like 3 months late. So I hope this guy literally blow my mind away, and please share this to a friend, guys. So without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well this man can take the stage by storm.
My name's Richard Goodall from Terre Haute, Indiana. I've lived in Terre Haute my whole life. I was that
Nice.
kid up in my bedroom with the Radio Shack stereo. My favorite thing was just to sit up and listen to my music, and I just
Awesome.
belted out. Eventually, I was like, I gotta find me a job. So I became a janitor at Chelsea Rose Middle School, which is only 3 blocks away from my house.
My
Wow.
first job in LA was sweeping floors, and I used to sing to myself.
That's
the thing.
how I keep up my voice.
Wow, so his first job was a janitor, and he used to like listen to the radio while music is being playing. Bro, I love music, right? And to see people who partake in musical journey reaching for higher heights, I'm for it.
I'm not a fancy person. I take out the trash, I wipe off the tables, I sweep the floors. I'm just having fun and I'm trying to make people happy.
Lovely, bro.
The kids would hear me sing and they tell me, that I've got talent. That's why I'm here. That's why I got on a plane.
Congrats, bro.
When I took off from Indianapolis, I felt that front wheel come off the ground and you have
Whoa.
this floating, you're no longer stable. And that's what this whole experience is like right now. I mean,
Whoa.
it's a good off balance, but until you actually do something, you don't know if it's right for you or not. Oh, I'm getting chicken skin talking about it.
It's time to meet the judges. Thank you, sir. I'm with you.
Wow. Guys, this is really incredible. You know why? Because he was a janitor. Probably he's still a janitor, but the way how he explained himself, the way how he feels so good within himself, bro, that puts a smile on my face, guys. Trust me. I love to see these type of things, man.
Hello. Very nice to meet you. And what is your name, please?
I'm Richard Goodall. I'm from Terre Haute, Indiana.
And Richard, how old are you?
I'm 55.
55.
Ooh, wow, 55.
And what do you do for a living?
I've been a janitor for 23 years. The kids call me Mr. Richard.
Okay.
Wow.
So tell me what the big dream is, please.
My big dream, I like to sing. I love to sing. So,
Okay. Does everyone know you've come out today to audition?
just my close knit friends and my fiance Angie.
Oh.
Nice, bro,
Is
nice.
she here with you today?
No.
So she's the one you're going to call
Yeah,
after the audition, yeah?
yes,
So
immediately,
promising.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And the song you've chosen today, tell me why you chose it.
Well, The song speaks for itself. So
Okay. All right. I'm not going to ask any more questions. Let's do it. Good luck.
whew,
Ah, you're a bit nervous.
yeah.
Yo, I am loving this. You know why? Because someone literally heard this man sing, right? Students heard this man sing, right? And they've introduced him to America's Got Talent because they realize that he have a lot of talent based on his distinctive voice. And kaboom, here is him now in front of so much people. And I could tell that this man, right, didn't expect to reach so far with the age of 55 because dreams can come through at any age, at any given time, right? You can achieve your dream while you're young, or you're middle age, or you're much younger as a full grown adult, such as 55 and over. Bro, lovely, man. Lovely.
Uh,
It's okay, Richard.
this has been a long time coming. So.
Oh, bless you.
Wow.
Let's go, Richard!
Bro, you got this, bro. You got
Shake
this,
off
Mr.
those
Richard. You got
nerves.
this.
We're here. We're rooting for you, Richard. Good luck. I hope he's good. I really do.
Just a small town girl. Living in a lonely world.
Oh my god. Yo, okay. As I heard his voice, he's giving a journey level. He's giving that type of feeling when Journey sung this song, man. Damn.
She took a midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised without the truck. He took a midnight train going anywhere.
I am feeling good. I am feeling good because people are so blessed, man. People are so blessed. And to see this man come so far to display that amazing talent, it's a bonus, it's a plus, it's an award, man. An award.
Cigarette, a smoky room.
So amazing.
Smell a wine and cheap perfume. Oh, a smile that can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. The shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night.
Oh, wow. Wow. He's amazing. He's amazing.
Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlights, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlights, people.
Wow. That was awesome, bro. That was awesome. That voice is awesome. Hey, hey. When you are blessed, you are blessed. That's something exquisite. Definitely. Definitely.
Please open the door. Nothing is different.
Richard, you are my hero.
Facing these halls, trying to talk.
Because that was special. Genuinely special. I think America is gonna love you.
I mean, that was spectacular. That was fun. This was an amazing surprise. I think you were perfect to come to AGT because you made our night.
Thank you, man. You're beautiful.
You, and maybe because you've been doing it for 23 years, but you just cleaned up. You just... You know, I would imagine every kid that has ever been in a school with you is just screaming.
Yo, this brought tears into my eyes. Yo, I don't know, but whenever time I see these type of people come out and represent themselves of how talented, of how skillful they really are, it makes me so happy because we have a lot of people in this world where they are very, very talented, but because of certain handicap, they can't really make any move to go and portray the talent that they have. And to see a man which is 55 years of age come to do such exquisite job, it impresses me. As a little Jamaican guy, it impresses me.
I just think you're amazing.
Definitely. Definitely.
We love you,
Richard, you knocked me off my feet.
Totally.
I mean, we all had the best time with you up there on that stage. I really feel something when I see you up there and hear you up there.
Trust me.
And now, this is what I'm gonna do for you because I love you.
This is so good. Yo, I don't know, but every time I saw someone won that America's Got Talent, right, I have to feel this thing deep within, and I just can't hold back that tears, bro. Like, he have come far, very far, to make it to the finals with that voice, man. To see this from someone who is such up in age, my heart melts. He deserves it, bro. He deserves it. You see, sometimes when God has something for you, it will reach your doorstep. No one can stop it because that's yours, right? He didn't even know that he'll be there in such an amazing position. He won. He have won. Yo. This is really good, man. Really good.
Stuck on a hill outside
Summer's inside the home that we built. The cold settles in. It's been a long week. He deserves it.
And now I think we should go and call your fiance. Should we call her?
Don't tell her.
I would love to see that.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I've never even been on a plane. This was not on my radar to come to California. It's just a dream come true.
Happy you came.
Give it up one more time for Richard Goodall!
Yes, I'm here right now.
Whoa.
I got the gold buzzer.
Yo, this is giving me a nostalgia, bro. I mean, I remember back then, I've reacted to Pooch Ariane for the first time. I've known about this America's Got Talent TV show and she won, bro. My entire heart melts. Like, literally melts. And I can't believe I survived. Like, actually.
She said, oh, yeah, I told you.
That was crazy. That was incredible.
And this is for you, little keepsake. From your golden banner.
Wow. That was well done, Mr. Richard. Goodall, you have done well. And if you guys enjoy this reaction, please stay tuned for more. I would love to see some love under my video. I mean, like, I don't know, like, if you guys read thus far, remember to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button, and to share it to a friend. If you can share it to Mr. Goodall, I would appreciate it. Because I'm way across in Jamaica now. So, could you please share it to him, please? I would appreciate it. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.